Coda, come on. Coda, get your ass in the house now. Get in the house. Oh shit, she been cut. This goddamn dog. Go in the house, Coda.
Come on, Coda.
Go. Look at this mother. Damn dog is fucking crazy.
Watch she jump through the hoop. Watch. Look. Come on, mama. Come on. Come on.
Do you understand? So like when this little hand is at the V, that's 5. And then it's dinner time. But right now, it's not even 3 o'clock yet.
Go upstairs. Go upstairs, fam. Go upstairs, you're struggling.
Bailey, what do you want? Okay. Oh. Good boy, Bailey. You're so smart.
Come out.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, I have to tell you something. Look, you're adopted.
Why are dogs so weird?
For 2 seconds. What are you doing? Ollie. Hey. And he just lays down like nothing's happening.
Dog.
She dragged her ass from like.
Oakley, you want a fishy fish? If you're gonna be stupid, you better be tough. Stop!
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Okay, roll over. Good job.
That's such a good job!
When he sees that it's just me,
Oh, she got that bounced.
Good boy.
I'm trying to give him some water like this, and he's like, nah.
No. Close the fridge. Close it. Oh my God. You good girl. You good girl.
Oh my God. Oh my God. He on X Games, man.
Put him in while we eat. Murphy, you stay. Murphy, get your butt back in there.
Do you like going to the vet?
Who can relate? This struggle is real.
I'm in the ghetto.
No.
Daisy!
Hunter, get out of the car. Let's go. Come on now. We're done. We already exercised. We exercised. I took you for a ride. Let's go. Let's get out the car. Let's go. Hunter, let's go. Come on, let's go. Get out the car. Hunter, Donovan needs to get out the car. Donovan, tell Hunter to get out the car.
What are you doing? That is not how a dog sits, silly girl. Yeah. What are you doing?
Was just trying to take her to go pee, and she collapsed on the stairs and pretended she was dead so she wouldn't have to go out in the cold. Ivy, that looks so uncomfy, WTF. She is so dramatic, I swear to God.
Come on. Too fast.
A little bit.
Jack. Where is Jack? I haven't seen it.
Jack, where are you?
For your breakfast. Sit. Okay, you're already doing that. Down. Try again.
Show everyone your underbite.
Buddy, what are you doing? You cannot suck your brother's wiener, bro. No.
Just do.
What are you doing?